The emails are just one part of sweeping cuts at government offices across the country. We're keeping you connected tonight to the impact right here at home.
Probationary workers at the James A. Haley Veterans Hospital say they were terminated this week as part of nationwide layoffs. And Tampa VA's Chris Hurst talked to those workers and is live outside of the Tampa VA.
And Chris, they say one particular line in the termination letter is really what makes them most upset.
Yeah, Courtney, it is this line in their termination email that says the agency finds that your performance has not met the burden to demonstrate that your further employment at the agency would be in the public interest. One worker tells me he didn't work here long enough to even get a performance review.
According to my supervisors, with the 4 months I've been working there, I became a key player to the team.
Charles Long served 20 years in the Air Force, including Operation Enduring Freedom.
When 9/11 popped off, I got deployed over into the Middle East to the different locations.
In October, he got a job at the Tampa Veterans Hospital, restocking medical supply closets in the inpatient wards, and was reminded each day of his father, who was treated for cancer by the VA.
I see the patients, I can't help but to see them as I go to the supply closets, and then it will remind me of my pops.
Yesterday, he came in on an off day to fill out his 5 accomplishments as required by Elon Musk in the Office of Personnel Management. It wasn't an hour later, he says, when he got the email terminating his position.
No complaints to my work performances. I haven't gotten any evaluation to tell me if I'm doing good or bad.
His story echoes 2 other supply technicians fired today who talked to me over the phone, but ultimately declined to appear on camera.
No federal employee is entitled to their job, right?
Supporters of the cuts to the federal workforce say voters wanted the massive shakeup when they voted President Trump back to the White House.
Certainly sympathetic to anyone who gets laid off. Trump ran on reducing the size and scope of the federal government. So he's doing exactly what he campaigned on.
While Long understands the reasoning, he worries how those hospital shelves will get stocked.
They're not going to have what they need to treat the patient. The nurses are going to get frustrated. The patients are going to be uncomfortable, in pain.
Now, Long says those who are still working here are afraid they'll lose their jobs next, and that leadership really has no idea what is going on for who exactly may come next. Now, we reached out to the hospital to inquire and confirm about the firings. We were told to stand by for a response, but did not get one before airtime. Live in Tampa, Chris Hurst, 10 Tampa Bay.